Here's Daddy trying to get the baby dolly out of the box.
What kind of a dad is that? He can't get the baby dolly
We'll
out.
see you next Christmas.
Claire.
You
Be
lost
careful of the baby dolly.
You lost the foot in the process.
Peter.
Good girl.
Look at you, good boy. Peter, what are you building?
Go.
Oh, look, Uncle Kevin's gonna help you build something cool.
You can make a playground, or you can make a stack.
There you go.
It's a very neat stack.
Oh, look at that baby dolly. Where's the pacifier? Oh.
My baby doll.
Meanwhile, Claire.
Does it have, where's the pass? Oh, yeah. Still working on it. Sorry.
And her hair is up.
Isn't her hair so pretty?
Her hair is up though, Mommy.
Anything else under the tree for you?
I don't know.
Here's the pacifier, sweetie.